Welcome to the Autoverse, your destination for exploring the finest in automotive history and innovation. Don't forget to subscribe for deep dives into iconic vehicles, modern marvels, and everything in between. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1934 Citroën Traction Avant 11CV Chapron, a revolutionary vehicle that set the stage for modern automotive design. The Citroën Traction Avant 11CV Chapron is celebrated as a technological pioneer. It was among the first mass-produced cars to feature front-wheel drive, a unibody construction, and independent suspension, all of which were groundbreaking for its era. The 11CV model is equipped with a 1.9-liter, four-cylinder engine, producing around 46 horsepower. While modest by today's standards, this powertrain provided a top speed of approximately 100 kilometers per hour, impressive for its time. The smooth ride and reliable performance made it a favorite among drivers in the 1930s. The Chapron version of the Traction Avant stands out with its coach-built elegance. Carrosserie Chapron, known for creating bespoke designs, enhanced the already striking appearance of the Traction Avant with custom bodywork. Its streamlined design features flowing lines, integrated headlights, and a signature grille, exuding a timeless charm. The attention to detail in the exterior design reflects the sophistication of pre-war French automotive craftsmanship. Inside, the Traction Avant Chapron offered a luxurious yet practical cabin. The seating was upholstered in fine materials, and the dashboard was designed with an Art Deco influence, combining style with functionality. Though basic by modern standards, the interior provided ample space and comfort for passengers, making it a highly sought-after vehicle for both personal use and formal occasions. Today, the Citroën Traction Avant 11CV Chapron holds a special place in automotive history and is a prized collector's item. Its rarity and historical significance have led to increasing demand among classic car enthusiasts. Depending on the condition, originality, and provenance, prices for a well-maintained example can range from $80,000 to over $150,000. Thank you for joining us in exploring this remarkable piece of automotive heritage. Subscribe to the Autoverse for more journeys through the history of iconic vehicles and in-depth reviews of today's cutting-edge cars. Let us know your favorite classic in the comments, and stay tuned for more content.
Perfect.